Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my thoughts and review and a little bit of packing on a HAPP brand little bag called the Paige Mini, and this is in the Dusy Rose. So I got this bag when I got my Levy backpack, which is I think last week, and I have used this bag a couple of times, 2 or 3 times now, a couple of times as a mom bag and once as a diaper bag or nappy bag. So I wanted to come back and tell you guys what I thought about it and how I like to pack it and my pros and cons about the style. So let's go over the color first. This is a very, very pretty, dusty, subtle pink. I love it because it isn't in your face, it's not bright, and it's just so pretty with the gold. There is the HAPP brand logo down the bottom here, which I think is very understated and very pretty. I love the quilted nylon, very wipeable, very soft. The bag does not have feet, so it is just a little handbag slash messenger bag, but it does fit quite a lot. It's very uniquely designed and has some beautiful features. It does come with a seatbelt messenger strap with some nice hardware. And this is really pretty, but what I do like to pair with my Paige Mini as well as my Levy, you've noticed, are these hand woven straps, which I'll put the link down for the ladies Etsy store. They are beautiful, beautiful, and because they are woven, they're a bit thicker and they're very comfortable on my shoulder. So the way that I liked to wear this bag is mainly over my shoulder, and that is super rare for me because I do have a back injury. So for messenger style bags to be comfortable, like over the shoulder, is really doesn't happen for me at all. I can wear it crossbody, but all bags crossbody for me just don't feel the best. But this one is so nice, so just on my shoulder. And I don't know if it's the strap per se, but I'm pretty sure it's this bag mainly because this is very lightweight. And I like the shape of it. It sits next to my hip or just below my hip really nicely. It doesn't bulk out. So you can carry this bag, I guess, 3 ways. So you can carry it like this over your, kind of in the crook of your arm, or just holding it like this. I love grabbing these to take the bag in and out of the car, or if I'm putting it down on a counter to pay, picking it up. I love these. These are so soft and squishy. I've actually placed an order for the Paige Carryall, so the larger version of this bag, and it should be coming very soon because I loved this so much in the mini version. I actually have this bag packed up as my handbag for today, so I wanted to show you how I used it today. And then I've got a few things here that I did pop in yesterday to use as a diaper bag, and it did work. It fit everything that I needed for one child for a very quick trip out. So I'll show you how I've packed up today, and then I'll just quickly show you how the other items fit in so you can use it for that purpose as well. Alright, so as I said, this is packed up as a mom bag or a just a handbag. I do have my Wonderlust woven strap on here. So I did want to mention that because these are attached here on the top of the bag on these little gold D-rings, this can be an issue for some people trying to get in and out of the bag when it's on your shoulder, especially if it's crossbody. But because I wore it over my shoulder, I didn't really have an issue. I'll be honest, it really didn't bother me that much to get in and out of this, but I can see how it could become a problem because it does cross right here, and to open it up it can hit these straps, especially if it's over, like around your body. My friend Lynn did a review on this, and she has a part of the video at the end showing you what I'm talking about, so I will link her video down below so you can check that out. But I won't demonstrate that today, but I just wanted to mention it, that is probably something that people may not like about it, but it didn't bother me. So I love these little handles, very squishy as I said. They don't clip together like the Paige Carryall, but that's fine because you don't really need it to. In the front here, there is the beautiful logo down the bottom here, and I forgot to mention this on my Levy backpack review, but this is really pretty. I do really like that. You've got a little pocket here with leather trim here. I think this is faux leather, and a faux leather zipper pull, and I love that this is long so you can grab it really easily. And there's a little pocket in here, and this pocket holds way more than I thought it would. So in here I actually have my whimsical watercolor set piece, for a small set piece from Jujubee, and look how pretty that just goes. So pretty with this print. I think I purposely changed it out to this just so it would go with this color here, the Dusy Rose. I think it just looks beautiful. And then in here I also have my keys popped in here. This pocket is really big. It surprised me. I didn't think I could get as much in there as I could. The inside of this is a nice soft kind of, it feels like good quality wipeable material. This is super duper water resistant. It is raining today. I had to take this out and I was a little worried about it, but it just wiped right off. It didn't even really get wet at all. It was actually surprised me a lot. So that's the front of the bag. As I said, there aren't any feet on it, but that's, I mean, it's a little bag, right? You don't really expect it to have feet. Plus it would add weight. So I'm kind of glad they didn't put feet on this particular bag. On the back here, there is a slip magnetic, and I love the magnets on the HAPP brand stuff. It's just really good magnets. And in here is where I keep my iPhone 10. Fits perfect, and this is easy to get to. This is the bit that would be against your body, so it was very easy for me to get my phone in and out. Two zipper pulls, and if you can see the logo, the writing on there, it says HAPP. It's very nice. These are very sturdy zippers. I like how they've got a little like knob right there, so it does make it really nice to grab. And being two, you can open it on either side of the bag, and it does go down on the sides here, and it has a wire on the inside here on either side, and it helps it open up really, really wide, and it keeps your bag open like this, so you don't have to continuously open and close. It doesn't flop close on you. The most it'll close is that, and that's perfect. In the bag here, I pretty much, there's something missing actually. Normally in this slip pocket here, I have my Baby Olay shopping tote, but it's actually got shopping in it right now, but that does fit really well in here if I fold that up. And then the only other thing I had in there was my Wipe Pouch Mini in the Donatella Sweet Shop print. And these are just regular wipes that I've just cut it's about 3/4 size of a wipe. So if you're trying to find wipes that fit in here, just do that. I just cut off the end of it, maybe an inch, half an inch, 3/4 of an inch, I don't know. I work in centimeters nowadays, I don't remember what an inch is. But that fits perfect in there. There are two little pockets on either side. And in here I actually have my small set piece, which is my mummy med kit stuff, and then a little coin purse with some feminine hygiene things in there. And then on the other side I have my Forget Me Not print, which I think also looks beautiful with this color. And this just has my phone charger in there. And then I have a couple of things in the center. I don't take much when it's just me, honestly, I really don't. I do have, okay, so I have my Lilly Jade wallet in blush, and I will show you what that looks like, but the reason it's in this little bag is because I actually bought a new smaller wallet to go better in these smaller bags. But here is the blush, so here you can see the difference in the pink. So here is the blush, Lily Jade, and there is the Dusy Rose by HAPP. So this is definitely more pink. This is more of a dusty, definitely dusty. Dusty is a really good word for it. This is a Mimco receipt, and this is the wallet that I bought today. This is a little zip around, and I just thought it was a good size for these bags because it actually fits. You'll see in a minute when I put the other things in there for diapering, but it fits in the center here perfectly in between these two pockets. I'll just give you a quick geezer what this looks like. It's a zip around little wallet. It's super cute in leather. It actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think seven card slots, 2 on this side. It's got a little slot here for your cards, for your punch cards or money, and then a little coin section here. If it's not bags, it's wallets. I have so many. So if you guys want a video of me showing you all the wallets I have a bit of a collection now. I'll be happy to do that. Just comment below. Oops, there's plastic on here that I haven't even taken off. Oh, there we go. Nice and shiny. So pretty. So this will soften up. I need to actually condition it and water spray it. Good idea is condition and water spray your everything leather, whether it's your bags, your wallets, your shoes, just to be on the safe side. I always condition and water stop those on a regular basis. So that's everything out of my HAPP Mini. Now the only thing I have to say is about the organization. It's great. I just find it a little odd that this particular pocket is on the front. Like, I kind of expected this slip pocket to be on the back side. I don't know why, I just did. So it got me a little bit, my OCD going a little bit, because I wanted it to be there, but I got used to it. So that's the only thing. I mean, other than that, I really love this little bag. So much to the point, as I said, I ordered the bigger version, so it'll be interesting to see what that looks like. I also have the Anna Hobo coming as well. So I am gonna repack this up now, showing you how I would do it as a very quick trip diaper bag. So the first thing I've got is I've got one size 5 nappy and a regular 30 count wipe pouch, and I am going to put those into this slip pocket right here. See right there? So for these pockets on either side, I'm actually going to put a water bottle on one side. I don't usually take water bottles in little bags, but I will for today just to kind of show you guys that it will fit. This is a Fugu Funtainer. I think this is a perfect size to fit in here, and it matches, it's pink. So, and that does actually fit into these little this little pocket, stretch pocket here really well, and it just goes up to where the bag kind of opens here. On the other side, I am going to put my Mummy Med Kit pouch and a hand sanitizer, because I always keep those together. I just like to have all that kind of medical stuff together. Now the only other part to fill up is the inside middle bit here. So I do have a Logan and Lenora change pad, and I think this kind of matches nicely too. So I can stick that, and that kind of fits behind these little pockets really well. It kind of wedges in there. I have a play pack by Jujubee. This is a full-size play pack, and I'm going to pop that in the front part here because it is long, so it's kind of again behind these little pockets here. Phone charger, so I'm going to pop that in the middle like that, right that. And then I'm also going to pop my wallet in there as well. This is why I bought this wallet, because it's smaller, so I can just pop that in there like that. And there's still a little bit of room in between that bit there. This is just an indestructible book that I found in Australia. I did get them from DM Books. I have to remember what the place, so if you're looking for these, I'll put down where I got it from if you're in Australia. These are fantastic. The people at the bookstore were like, oh my gosh, you can't rip it, you can't bite it, you can't. So my oldest actually has been reading that. So that actually fits in there, or I could put it actually, yeah, I'll put it behind the play pack here. That actually works really well. So I still have a bit of room in the center here, but that's okay because it allows this stuff to kind of move around, and I don't like things to be overly full anyway. Front pocket here, I'll put back in my small set piece with my lipstick and lip gloss. A little bit tighter now that I have everything in the center, but my keys will still fit in there, like that. And my phone will fit in the back, okay? And perfect, so this does zip up very well, like this. And I mean, it's got a bit of weight to it now because it's got the water bottle in there, but it's very manageable. It's very, very cute. Everything fits in there. So yeah, so that's how I would pack it up as a diaper bag. But I will be honest, I will probably use this bag more as a handbag. If I use it as a nappy bag, I would probably just do it to take it down to the cafe, which is like walking distance, so I wouldn't have a water bottle or a couple of other things in there. It would just be for very, very quick trips. But I wanted to show you that it is very doable as a little nappy bag, on-the-go nappy bag. So I think that's it. I think I've covered everything. If you guys have any questions, please pop them below, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up, and I will see you for my next one. Thanks guys, and have a great day. Bye.